folks, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. Just wanted to show you a quick Mary Maxim order I did, which has 2 mystery bags. And I wanted to thank my returning watchers and subscribers and welcome new watchers and subscribers. And if you like my comment, please click like and subscribe. And yeah, so I placed this order at the end of October, so I have another 2 mystery bags that I ordered in November, which actually help for the giveaway that Mary Maxim is doing. And Mary Maxim is a store online that sells yarns and crafts. So yes, I ordered 2 mystery bags, and I got the same thing in both bags. Gonna go over them real quick. I got 4 skeins of this hot pink of the Bonbon Classic yarn, and I got 4 skeins of this actually also Bonbon Classic yarn in purple, and the other mystery bag is another 4 pink and another 4 purple. So they're nice, they're soft, definitely way softer than Red Heart Super Saver. They're 100% acrylic, 100 grams or 200 meters. In yards, that's a little more than the meters amount. And the rest is in another language, so I'm going to say, and it's a number 4 worsted weight yarn, and I'm going to say it says machine wash. So that's what all that is. If you want the specifics, you can look up what the symbols mean online. And that's how the label is. And this is the purple one. Also the same thickness. I may use these, that's why I wanted to show them. I may use them for making hats and possible mittens or gloves. I've never made mittens. Possibly fingerless gloves for the folks out in Western North Carolina. Please check out that video that I made on Friday. It was, let me give you the exact date. Friday, November 8th that I released the video. Also, I'm really bad at reminding people of stuff. But if you haven't already, please watch the video where I talk about my fall/Halloween make-along. And the entries for that are due November 26th for the contest giveaway, where I assign a number to each person that's entered. And then I pick from that with a random number generator. So far, I only have 1 entry, so thanks so much. But I figured I should give you guys a reminder to send that in. My email's in the description box below, or actually in my About section on YouTube. I believe it's like infinitely zeros and then a 0 at gmail.com, like the digit 0. So, yes. Thank you so much. I'm excited to see who enters. And, yeah, and I had some questions regarding if pink was okay or not, because I know I had said no pink. So, I'm like on the fence if I should allow it or not. So if I don't have too many entries, I'll probably allow it. So Bridget, there you go. But if anybody has any really strong opposition to that, please let me know in the comment box below. And yeah, so there were 4 of those. I also got a very cool needlepoint llama kit from Lion Brand that was in the mystery bag, and it comes with the yarn and the stamped pre-printed fabric grid with the llama. Oh, and it comes with the needle. So that's everything it says it comes with. And that's how it looks. And then the other thing I got was 6 skeins in each mystery bag of this hometown yarn, which is kind of funny. So mamaggear, when you see this, I had actually bought from one of her D-stash sales some of this yarn, and I already had a little bit. And then I had bought a little bit on the Lion Brand sale that they had, you know, because I was like, well, if I need to make a project and I need more. And now they sent me 6 more of this kind of zebra white and black yarn. So I find that really, really funny. So this is really nice and soft. It's 4 ounces or 113 grams. It's 64 yards or 59 meters in each skein. And they rank it as a super bulky yarn. Recommended, that's way too small for me to read. And recommended hook size, I think it's an N. 9 millimeter. I don't know. And I think we're going to say, because I can't see, oh, the color is called Anchorage Ice. And I'm going to guess and say that it's machine washable. 100% acrylic, machine washable, and dryable. So that's all the specs, and you'll see what I mean about how small it is. And then that's all the color info stuff, and the lot number and all that. So yeah, 6 of those, and then I got more of this off the hook yarn. Let me grab the one that's not in the plastic bag. So there's 4 of these in each of the mystery bags that I got, and you know, for both of the mystery bags I got. So this is the color. The other one that I had shown before was layer cake or cake layer, something like that. This colorway is called Hugs and Kisses. I mean, at least they did a good job of like matching it to match, you know, have a color theme, but I find this hot pink kind of annoying. So this is Lion Brand off the hook. It doesn't say the yardage, it just says it's a jumbo 7, 100% polyester, 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. No tools needed. So you use your hands to knit this together like that. And that's the blurb. Machine washable and dryable, and it's polyester. So yeah, and it's really nice and soft and makes a nice and soft cushy material. So that's a lot of fun. Let me put this away real quick. Because if not, then I can't get to everything else that's on the other side. There we go. Hopefully I don't break the bag while I'm doing this. There we go. So yeah, and they have this, if you wanted to buy more of this Bonbon Classic, and the Bonbon Inse is their DK weight of this yarn, which is really nice. I just made a shawl out of it, and I just bought what I'm going to show you in other colorways that I didn't have a little bit, just to see if I like the colors. Sorry about the crinkle noise. There we go. All done. Okay. So I got 3 in the pine colored for the Bonbon Inse. Pretty sure you can see it's like a nice deep green. This one's chocolate brown, that color. And I got 2 in red. And each of these skeins, they're machine washable and dryable, 100% acrylic. Recommended hook size is 3.5 to 4, I guess, knitting needles, millimeter knitting needle size. So I would think it's 4.5 or 5 millimeter crochet hook. And they say they're 100 grams, 300 meters, more or less. Yeah. And the rest I don't understand. This is color number 98237, but again, on the website, it doesn't have the color number, so that doesn't help you much. Yeah. And like this one on the chocolate, it's not listed, but there's the info that I just read to you. Machine washable, I think it's probably lay flat to dry. So yeah, so I got those. And each of those, I believe, are $1.99 each, and I had a coupon, so I got them at $1.88, $1.80. And the last thing I got was they have unlabeled 2 pounds of yarn, and they pick the color and send it to you. They sent me a nice mint color, which that's pretty cool. And I don't know, let's say maybe there's 1,000 yards in there. I have no idea. Your guess is as good as mine. So these 2 pound unlabeled yarn bags, which are 100% acrylic, and they're worsted weight yarn, more on the thinner side. I got this for $13.50, which I think was after the coupon. So I think they were either $14, maybe $15, around there. So yeah, that was it. Hope you had fun watching. Thank you so much. And yeah, and that's everything. Have a good night or have a good day. Thanks. Bye.